What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Young Batman. You already know what it is. We out here dropping buckets, boy. Yeah, we back with another video, and this is gonna be a product review. So let's just get into the video. Okay, now, so this product review, it's a Durag review. Okay, guys. I had won a giveaway. Shout out to OceanShaud. Shout out to Tsunamitimo. Shout out to Oceanviewbeauty. I have won the Durag on the giveaway. So we're gonna talk about it. It's an opportunity for you guys to get to see the product from Oceanviewbeauty. Alright, so let's get right into it. The Velvet Durag. So the Velvet Durags have been getting really popular. This thing is beautiful. I ain't even gonna lie. It's velvet, very stylish, dark purple, dark green, and on the inside, it's this material, nice silky, satin type, what have you, to wear on your head, and you can style with this like this. So it's a real dope durag. Basically, from the looks of it, it's got long strings, thick strings, nice material, nice and stretchy, nice and stylish. Definitely gonna be putting in work with this. And I was been checking out the website. I'm gonna put the link down below so you guys can check it out. Oceanviewbeauty.com. They got some dope durags on there. They got mad colors, velvet, as well as silks. I'm definitely gonna be copping some more on there because they got some silks that I really need. I'm definitely feeling the velvets. Make sure y'all go ahead and follow OceanShaud, Oceanviewbeauty on Instagram. Make sure y'all follow Tsunamitimo. Also, make sure y'all subscribe to OceanShaud on YouTube. Subscribe to Tsunamitimo. They definitely doing a lot of positive things for the wave game, and they definitely probably gonna be doing more giveaways. So you know what I mean. If y'all interested in velvet durags, hop on that website and go ahead and order. Definitely reasonable prices, and you know, we just trying to put that work in. We go ahead and getting these waves, gotta maintain and go ahead and, you know what I'm saying, rag up. But I'm probably gonna get me a session in. Just wanted to drop a video for y'all. Make sure y'all hit the like button. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And if you have, subscribe again. If you haven't liked this video, like it. If you liked it, like it again. You already know. It's your boy Young Batman. We just gonna get a little brush session in, but I'm gonna probably close out the video, y'all. So this is what we do. We just brush and we just motivate each other. Make sure y'all comment down below if y'all got any questions and stuff like that. But make sure y'all go ahead and get on that. We out here, we just getting a session. We trying to keep these videos flowing for y'all so we can get y'all the content and get y'all questions answered and all that. But yeah, man, once again, it's a very, very dope durag. Go ahead, get y'all silkies, get y'all velvets. It's out there. Again, comment, like, subscribe. We out of here, y'all. I'll talk to y'all soon.
Young forever, young forever.